Pooja, are you ready?
Yeah, good evening to all and all present here. And good evening all. Welcome you all for this program about today. We are in a day for Python bootcamp, right? We are going to learn about tkinder, which uses graphical user interface. You can perform various graphical activities using the tkinder. You can design any window by using your default settings. It is an interesting topic to learn about tkinder. It's much more pretty to design with your own graphical interfaces. And today the session will be handled by the Pooja, Sasikumar, and Danush. If you have any queries, means you please chat with us. We are always here to clear your queries. And happy learning, guys. Pooja, are you there, Pooja? Sasikumar?
Yeah, Rajesh.
I think Pooja and
Yeah, you.
are here.
Just 2 minutes. I will share my screen.
Yeah, okay, Sasikumar, not an issue. Okay, guys, let I ask you some questions. If you have any idea about graphical user interface tkinder related to this, any idea anyone having? It's not an issue. You can tell your comments. And more about tkinder, it's a vast library used everywhere, so that you can create very own graphics with very easy steps. It is Python, so that today is somewhat important and interesting too.
Rajesh, I think Pooja has joined. Pooja, are you ready?
Yeah,
No. Pooja?
okay, let her join. If
She's
you have
not.
any ideas,
Okay.
you can share with us, guys. Or if you have any queries related to this programs, means also you can ask now.
Rajesh, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay.
I share my screen.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We are doing programs from basics to advanced level of teenagers, so that you can learn about this concept. Today we are going to cover the from basics. Sasikumar, can you
Okay.
share?
Okay, Rajesh.
Yeah.
First, I will teach how to install the tkinter module.
Actually, I am hearing some noise about some noise produced. Yeah.
Okay. Now was clear?
Yes, ma.
Directly go to type cmd. open it and type pip install tk. It will automatically install the tk library. First, I will teach the basic program. Okay, like how to create a root window. A root window means this is the window, right? I created like this window using Python. Okay, first I importing a tkinter library from tkinter import star. It means from tkinter library I import all. The star means all functions are importing. Uh, all functions are importing from tkinter import star. I created a root window. It is then plus root is equal to tkf. Okay, this is the root window, and last I I I looping the root window. It means whatever the function in the window, it's looping. Okay, I created a button in this root window. First I click and take the operation, and second I click, it is also take the operation. Okay, so it is the main loop. I run the program. It will create a small root window. This is the root window. It's named as tk. Okay. Go to the program. This is where to create a root window, and I named this root window root dot title of this function is used for change the title. I give in this place Python and I run the program. It's named it's automatically change it Python. Okay, I directly go to the program. This is a basic one. I directly go to the program. First, I will teach the canvas. What is canvas? Means I using canvas to draw the shapes and import the image in root window. Like that operation you take. First, I import the module and I create a root window called A equal TKF, and I change the title shapes, and A dot geometry means the like I run the program, and this is a this is a geometry, like uh, this is a height and this is a width. Okay, in this program I will give uh, this is a width and height. 600 is a width and 400 is a height. Okay, okay, and I create a canvas called C is equal to canvas of in this canvas in a root window. Okay, and I give a canvas width and height. The width is equal to 600 and the height is equal to 400, and BG called background. Like in this canvas This is the full canvas. It is a white color. So I give background white. If you want to change it, means I give yellow, yellow and run it. It will change the background color yellow. Okay, this is a background uh, in this canvas I created a rectangle. C dot create a rectangle function, create underscore a rectangle. In this create rectangle I give 4 points. What is the points means I give the diagonal points only. These points and this point it will automatically create a rectangle. I give 100 comma 300 and 500 comma 100. This is a first point and this is a second point. I will Python is automatically taken the point and fill blue color in this rectangle. In this rectangle, I will fill the blue color. So I give the blue color and uh, width is 6 means the rectangle border width. Okay, and I give active fill. Active fill means uh, when I go to the mouse in a rectangle, it will automatically change the red color. So I give because I give active fill area in red. So I move to the mouse in the rectangle, it will automatically change the color. Okay, this is a way to create a rectangle using canvas. Okay, and I go to the second program. Rectangle. Okay. Okay. First, I create input module and I create a root window root and I create a canvas width and 500 and height 500. I created a oval. I created a oval means like circle, like oval means it is an ellipse like that. I created a oval and I put it 2 points 10 comma 10 and 100 comma 100 and fill black means this is a shape color and outline yellow. This is a outline color and width means the border width. Uh, Width means it is a border width. Okay. And the active fill is red and last I packing the canvas. What is packed means what is packed means it will it pack the canvas in the root window. It is called a pack function. I run the program. Okay, it will create a circle in black. I go into the I go into the circle in most it will automatically change the red color in 2 points or what points uh, I give means like in a circle you we I imagine that like circle in sorry in square out of the circle means I give this point and this point. I annotate. Wait a minute. Okay. Imagine this square in this place means I give this point. I and program it, the circle will be created like this. Okay, I want a big circle. Okay, and I change the second point. The point will be like a graph only. Okay, I give 400 comma 400. I run the program. Okay, this is a bigger circle. Okay, what is the coordinate means? This is the y-axis and this is a x-axis. In this tkinter in Python, it will take it. This is the y-axis and this is x-axis. Okay, don't this axis and give a point, so it will automatically draw a circle. Okay. Going to another program, like how to import a image in tkinter. Okay. Any doubts, please? If any doubt in this program, please put in the chat box and or else chat put in the chat box. I take this photo for import. I copying a path and I paste this the file path. I teach the program. Okay. Okay, this I put a tkinter module and create a root window and create a canvas like root in this canvas in root only, and I give width and height and I change the background back like BG. Okay, but here, the BG means background, and I pack in the canvas. Okay, this canvas with don't this area put in the last line. Okay, and I importing a photo image like a is equal to photo image of file. uh, in this file you give a file path, and I get a image c dot create image function. uh, in this place I give I give 1 points. Uh, the photo where will place in that canvas. Okay, okay, so I give 500 comma 500 because the width and height is 100 comma 100, so 500 comma 500 it is uh, it is a center, and 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 I give image is equal to a. Okay, so I importing a image in a, so I give image is equal to a and c dot track and root dot main loop. I run the program. So it will automatically paste the photo in the tkinter. Okay, this is a way to import a uh, image in tkinter. I go to the next program. how to create a line in canvas. I created a tick inter uh, I importing a tick inter module and I give root is equal to tk of and root dot geometry I change geometry and root dot configure like change the background of the blue see, changing the color of take it there and I created a canvas and I get a seed create line in this create line 2 points will appear in this 2 point mean the starting point of the line and the ending point of the line, okay, and fill red means the line color and width it's uh, uh, line width, okay, and this like this I created a four line and I give four rectangle and back and root line with the root window. I run the running this program. This is the output. I okay. I backspace the rectangle. So because two different things. I run the program. I created a four lines here. So this is four line, one line and two line and three line and four line. This is the four line. Okay. All programming codes are sending in the WhatsApp group as well as the Google Drive. Okay, I'm going to the next program. That's all the canvas page and I go to the frame. What is frame is like that canvas, but frame is uh, 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 having a button, spin box, like that. Okay. Okay. In this root window, I will create a frame like f is equal to frame of. Frame of in this frame we are in a root window, so I give root comma I give with the right of frame I give 500 comma height is equal to 500 and background is equal to I give yellow and I packing the frame. The frame will create this like, okay, this is a way to create a frame and I going to teach like button and widget and entry. Entry means if you go to the Google like okay Google form, it is as a name. You will enter the name. This is the entry. First I will teach the button. Okay, how to place a button in tick it there. Okay, first I import a model. I create a root window and I change the geometry of the root window and I create a B1 button. B1 is equal to button of I give text is equal to like submit. Okay, submit uh, submit and I pack the button. Okay, and I run the program. in this root window, the submit button is located. This is a button. Okay, okay, and I give command in Python. What is command means? When I click the button, what the operation will be taken. Okay. In this case, I give a command of print. Okay. I give command of py, and I I define a py function. I define a uh, py function. In this py function, I get a label. What is a label means? The label is text, like the text only. I write a program and in this label I give root means it will place the on the root. Okay, and I give text is equal to button is working. And I change the background of this label, like okay, like blue, and the foreground FG means this is a text color, this is the background color. Okay, FG is the text color. I give white. Okay, and I change the font size and font name. Okay, I will teach later in the font section and the font name and packing the label. Okay, in this py function, when I click the button, the, the, the command is equal to py. In this py, call the function py. In this function, I get a label. Okay, okay, and I run the program and check it is correct or not. Okay, when I click the submit button, it will show button is working. The command will execute. Okay, this is the button. This is a button, and I'm going to the entry. Okay. In this entry, okay. First, I importing the tk module, and root is equal to tk. I created a frame. In this frame, it is based on the root, so I give root, and I give width and height, and background. I change the background white, and I create a label one. Enter your name, and I change the background color and the foreground color, and I give the entry. What is entry means? It will that typing operation. Okay, entry the entry will place on a root, and I give the font, like it will I will I will you will typing in the entry, this font will show, and I give font size, and I change the bit 50 and background color yellow, and I create a label to text the password, and I asking the password, and in this password I give the entry, and I created a button b is equal to button, text is equal to submit, and I pack all items and root that main loop, and I run the program. In this case, I just enter your name. I give Sasi and password. I give 123. It will show only star because I give the entry. Okay, entry. In this entry, I give one absent. So what is show means if you go to Google login page, if you enter the password, it will show star only. Uh, the the operation show it's I remove this and uh, run module. I type in this password means it will show that really typed, but I give in the show option it will show only this option, but it will save whatever uh, you typing. Okay, this is the entry. Wait a minute. And I go to the check button. What is check button means? If you go to the quiz in online quiz, you will select the option, right? And this is I use for check button, but it will so- some cases in this quiz it will select two more options. Like that, check button will work. I run I run this program and I explain it. Okay, this is a check button like box, and I will take a radio button. It will on circle. Okay, it will selected and it will selected. Okay, I click this button. It will select a tick mark here. I click this button. It will select a tick mark here, and then I will click means this is answered. Okay, I run the program. So, I teach the program. I created a check button here. In the check button, it will place on a root window, and text is with triple E, and I change the font, uh, and uh, and uh, and uh, and uh, I give on value and off value. What is on value, off value is this is not necessary. Okay, it put on this here. It's no problem. And width and height I will set, and I packed this, and I I made it to the root window. Okay. 1 minute, just I will be back. 1 minute. Okay, guys. Sorry. Okay, take button is over. I go with the radio button. Radio button is uh, select only one only. Okay. 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 I run this program and explain it. Okay. Okay. Why this? Okay. So, 1 minute, guys. Created a check button here. Root, comma, text is equal to bootcamp. Type back to this item. Where the pro. Okay. Check button is not defined. That check button will be great. Sorry, check button, not check button, the radio button. Give the check button, radio button. This is like a where is this? Okay, yeah, in this page it will place that boot camp. Okay, this is the radio button. The advanced program in the radio button, it will teach later. This is the way to uh, create a uh, 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 radio button. Okay, and I go to the another program called list box. Just 1 minute. I post all item. I end with my session in list box, and Terence will take over the session like page selection, and I build a mini Alexa like that program. Okay. This is a list box. Okay. This is the list box. I click lion, tiger like that. This is the list box. How to create means simply like I put it take it library, and I create a root window called top, and I create a label a list of animals, and I create a list box named list box. In this list box, it will place on top in this root window. So I give top, and in this list box I inserted a item. It is placed on first place and second place and third place, fourth place like that. And last I packed the list box and the main loop in the uh, window. Okay, this is a way to create a list box. Okay, guys. What are the doubt in this Speak Inter Basics? Please ask. No doubt means the Dhanush will take an order session. Any doubts?
Yeah, Satyabama, you make me as a co-host, okay? Then I can share this.
Okay, I make only host can make me the co-host. Ma'am,
It's okay, just allow me to share the screen.
okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Make.
make Dhanush host.
Yeah. 1 minute.
Any doubts means put in chat box. Otherwise, in, I I message the WhatsApp group also.
Yes, ma'am.
All program codes are okay.
Okay,
All
ma'am, I'll
program
take it.
codes are posted in the Google Drive and the GitHub also. Please taken and try it in yourself. Okay, I do session to Dhanush.
So, hello guys, this is Dhanush here. Good evening all. So, in previous session, we have learned about some concept like how to encrypt and decrypt, encryption, decryption. So, the concept we have discussed in previous session. So, I hope you have been listened and you have been learned that concept. So, I got a many doubt related that, and I have been solved through in WhatsApp also. Okay. So, I hope you don't have any doubt like this now. By this now, you don't have any doubt, I think. So we are going to see some programs called in that under session of advanced level sessions. So we are going to see some of the programs. Okay. Yeah, some of them ask about the Google Drive. We will share those Google Drive in our WhatsApp. Okay, we will share those things. So I'll start with with my content. Yeah, can you share see my screen, Pooja?
Yes, Dhanush. Yes,
Yeah,
Dhanush,
this is
we
the
can.
program. Yeah, this is the program. We are going to tone our voice. I mean, we are going to get a male or female something voice with this program. I'll run this program and you can explain and you can understand that concept. Okay. So from tkinder import, so we are just taking a tkinder now only. Okay. So today and tomorrow we'll be taking the tkinder concept. Then you can know this area under. So how to window configure, how to give the window label button and all. You will be will know in tomorrow's session. So I'm just going to explain only the algorithm of this program. Okay. First I will run this program. Okay. Let's see. It will be coming like this. So this is the tkinder interface. Okay. Now I'm going to give something called hi Dhanush. Okay. So okay. Now I'm going to give us a mail here. Then I'm going to give submit.
Hi Dhanush.
So I think you can hear this voice, right? So if I'm going to give a male, female, then
Hi Dhanush.
it's male. So it will be
Hi Dhanush.
so,
Hi Dhanush.
okay.
Hi Dhanush. Hi Dhanush.
Hi Dhanush. Hi Dhanush.
So you can give n number of words here. So it's not restriction. You can give anything. Okay. So we'll see how this program goes under this algorithm concept. So I'll explain that. Yeah, tkinner concept we will be getting to know tomorrow session, bro. Okay. Yeah. So I'll explain this algorithm. First, the code start by importing the requested libraries and one more library called Beautiful Soap. This is a library you are going to use in here for this audio purpose. Okay. Then it creates available variable and URL which you have to set the request for the Wikipedia page. Okay. Then just a minute, I'll come with that. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, so we'll share that, bro. Okay. Okay. I will share it. Beautiful sub. Yeah, this is a thing you are going to install it from the command prompt. Okay. Okay, I will start. The code is start. You are going to download the requested libraries from the command prompt. Then you're going to create a window by using something take in the concept. Okay. The next slide is going to create a label that stays like enter the text, right? So with some background. Okay. Then it creates an entry widget which is used to entering the digit into the program and paste in the row and column to the window. row 1 and column 0. Okay, this rows and column concept will be getting to know tomorrow session. Okay, I think Pooja or Mohanram will take this. Okay, then we are going to give it going to create a two button for male and female. So and we are going to assist the voice to that concept to that male or female. Okay, so finally we are going to create a two button, and one is labeled as a close, and which is a program that is going to be clear. And if it's a program is exit, so this concept will be going to come out of the loop. If you have any doubt in without a taking that, if you have any doubt in this program, so this is a very simple program, right? We are going to give something audio. We are going to audio file is going to take it from the desktop. Okay, you don't need to give a specific audio clip. Yeah, it's going to take it from the other resource. Do you have any doubt in this? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Def statement is going to there have been different statement called male or female or speaker or exit a program. So that's the reason we are going to use a def statement to retrieve the root. Okay. Yeah. Import pytts3 is a concept we have been discussed in previous session. I think Saturday we have discussed about the session. So we are going to install this command from the command prompt. Do you have any doubt in this? Just make a command to directly with me. Do you have any doubt in this concept? Or else we'll move to the next thing. Yeah, these are things which comes under a T kinder. Okay, this is just a Python code. This is the engine code. Do you have any doubt in this program? So I'll move on to the next program. So next program is quite interesting. Okay. So this is a quite interesting program. We are going to call something. Okay. Open YouTube, open Spotify, or open GitHub, open Google, open Wikipedia, or open local disk DCE. Like that, we are going to call the statement, and we are giving the some of the using a ellipse statement, and we are going to give like this. Okay, we are going to give like if you are calling as open Google, okay. If not, it will be going to next line called GitHub or next line called Stack Overflow, next Spotify, WhatsApp. So I'll run this program. Yeah, we're going to import this content. What we have done in the previous session. So just give pip install pyttsx3 and pip speech recognition. You're giving like a SR, okay, short form. SR is a short form. Yeah, then you're going to import Wikipedia browser OS. So I hope you have been downloaded this concept. You have been downloaded these things. So I'll run this program. Just see.
Hello Danish assistance activated. How can I help you?
Open Google.
Opening Google.
This is the concept behind this program. So we are going to say something, okay, and this program is going to listen that and it's going to respond according to that. So we'll be getting the thing.
I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Hello Danish assistance activated. How can I help you? Opening YouTube.
You're at mute.
I didn't understand.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're going to give us a open YouTube. Yeah, it's a network error, that's why it's loading. Otherwise, it will be coming. Okay.
Opening YouTube.
Do you have any doubt in this concept? Yeah.
I didn't understand.
Yeah, I'll stop this program. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this? See, first you are going to import this concept. Okay. Then you are going to give a voice assistance to it. Then you are using a def statement. We are going to return a speak command, and by using a def take command, so we are going to give access a microphone. Okay, yeah, then we are going to print listening. First the thing you'll be getting as a listening name, then you're going to recognize what you are speaking. Yeah, if the program can't understand what you spoke, so it is going to show us I can't understand. So then we are in the position to give what are the thing you should give as a concept that the program should know. Okay, you can give anything. So I'll be given like some of the 5 to 9 think like that music, play music, local disk, something GitHub like this. I have given. Yeah, okay. So it is your wish. You can just try with the 2 or 1. Okay, it's not necessary to do it all. Okay, you can do it some 1 or 2. Any doubt in this concept? Do you have any doubts? You can use a chat. Uh, someone asked about what is Elif. So, okay, I'll say that. So if the statement is false, it's going to move to on a next statement. So this is a simple thing in Elif. So you are not saying about open YouTube, then then the program is going to see about Google. If not, then GitHub. If not, then Stack Overflow. Then Spotify. Then WhatsApp. It's going to move on. So if you're saying out of this range, it's going to show it as error. Okay. Yeah, I will share this program. Okay, so we will share this. If you don't have any error, we'll move on to the next program. So next program is called a mask warning. So this is a simple program. Thing is we are just going to import a CV and sound, import sound. Okay, then you are going to open a video capture. Okay, the thing. Then it's going to detect something, and I have given like this thing. Okay, this is the example file I have been given attached to this link. Okay, this example file you'll be getting in your WhatsApp or something, Telegram or GitHub. You will be getting this XML file, okay, as a zip folder. So you can download the XML file and you can use a copy and paste this part over here. Okay. Then these are a simple thing. Then you're going to give it as a frame. Okay. Then it's going to save the content. What it's going to take. If not, it's going to show as a no mask near your face. It's going to show like that. So I'll run this program now. After that, you just know what is happening in this. So I'll run this. So it will take some time. Okay, in 10 to 15 seconds it will take to run. So it will be showing like no mask, right? So it will be showing like no mask. Okay, yeah. If I turn up the camera, the program will stop commenting. You can see this. It's going to show. It's going to save these images in a folder. Okay, if I open the camera, it's going to access my face and it's going to take a picture of me that I have not wear a mask. Like that, it's going to save and retake the program. Okay, it's a simple concept. Yeah, okay. Do you have any doubt in this? Okay. What is red frame? Okay, red frame is nothing but you can see in my face it will be showing like some box like thing. Okay, this is a red. That video read. You are going to read the video and it's going to read my video. Okay, it's going to read a video and you're going to understand that I am not wearing a mask. So I'm going to save. If I wear a mask means it won't save. It won't give like no mask that and it won't show. Any other doubt in this? So if you don't have any doubt, I'll move on to next one. Okay. So I'll share the feedback link. Pooja, are you there in the meeting? Pooja? Pooja? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Pooja is there in the meeting, ma. She's there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to learn about as a basic of T-Kinder. Okay, we are just discuss something. So there are more concepts to discuss in basic of T-Kinder in tomorrow's session, and we are going to move about a session called. We are going to see about programs related to T-Kinder. Okay, practical oriented program. It's like how to create a calculator, how to create a menu bar, and how to create something games. So we will be having a session game. Okay, we are going to discuss about a gaming session in upcoming classes, and we are having ethical hacking with a Python, and we'll be having like ML with Python, and we'll be having like how to access Arduino with a Python. So these are the concepts we are going to discuss within these 14 days. Okay. If you don't have any queries, means I will stop share and I will share my feedback link. Do you have any doubt? Okay. Okay, I will share the feedback link. You just fill it. Okay. Yeah, once you have filled this feedback link, you can leave the meeting. In tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss the remaining of T-Kinder concepts. Okay. So it's not like a Python. We are going to take 2 to 3 days now. So we'll complete this within tomorrow, this T-Kinder concept. There are a few more concepts to be taken. Okay. I will complete that now. Okay. Just fill this feedback link. You should fill the feedback link. Then you will be getting a certificate. Okay. Fill this feedback link. Yeah, we will upload thing in GitHub. Okay, we will upload the thing in GitHub. Sure. Once you completed filling this feedback, we can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Only few responses we received, so kindly fill the feedback form so that only you can able to receive the certificate at the last of the session.
User fill the feedback form. You can please leave.
Participants, once you will fill the feedback link, you can leave the meeting. Yeah. We need a more response in the feedback link.
Ma'am, I guess mostly they fill the feedback form, so we can end the meeting.
Okay. Yes, thank you all.